everyone. I am Vivashi Senapati, a student of Standard 10.
And I am Sarita Giri. I am also from Standard 10. We are the students of Eureka Academy since the last academic years.
And we are here to share our experience regarding the online lectures.
Recently, Eureka Academy has started online lectures for students as the learning won't stop.
These online lectures are so interactive and interesting that personally I am loving it.
Also, the presentation and the speaking skills of the professors are so superior that the lectures are very easy to understand.
They are also providing us with the worksheets and assignments for every lecture.
This helps us to understand whether we have understood the concept well or not.
Moreover, the professors and the management staffs are doing excellent work for solving the doubts of every student. They are always available for their fellow students.
These outstanding online lectures and efficient management have made us forget that we are learning from home and we are enjoying it very much during this lockdown.
Thank you so much to all the professors and the management staff.
Thank you, Eureka!